Hello there, everyone, and welcome back to your Social Media Compass. My name is Jacqueline Baker, and I'm your host. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me here today. Today, we're going to be talking about the age-old question we get all the time, and that is how to get more followers on social media. Well, there's good news and bad news. The bad news is there isn't just one secret sauce method. If there was, we'd all be using this and things would just be easy. But the good news is there are a lot of small tactics that may not be so significant on their own, but once put together in the correct order and the correct frequency, they can really make a huge difference. So get some coffee, get a pen and paper, and I hope you enjoy this episode. And if you want to learn a bit more about me and what I do, you can visit jacquelinebaker.com. I am a full-service digital marketing agency, and I help support clients alongside their social media, their emails, their blogs, their influencer outreach, all of that good stuff. So if you have any questions or want a free consultation, do let me know, and I'll be happy to support you. Now, let's dive into the episode. All right, so you've probably heard this once or twice, I bet, maybe even 3 times, but posting really great content honestly is so important. Think about it. You typically wouldn't want to follow a page that shares content that you don't like, right? So you're going to want to make things fun, exciting, engaging, educational, all that good stuff. Think about the pages that you personally like following. What do they share? And why do you follow them? Do you follow them because they help you solve certain problems? Do you follow them because they're super funny and entertaining? Is it a little bit of both? Once you figure that out, you'll get a little bit closer to knowing what type of content you should be sharing on your social media. The next is consistency. Now, this one could be easy to kind of get mixed up, if you will. Consistency doesn't mean posting, 3 to 5 times a day. It doesn't always even mean posting once a day. Even 3 times a week can make a big difference. Especially if you're first starting out, I'd rather see you post a bit less often, but make sure the content is amazing than posting every day and the content isn't so great. So, quality over quantity, but still being consistent is key. Next, you're going to want to engage with your community strategically. Now, what does that mean? Let's just pretend that you are a hairstylist based in Toronto. You're not going to want to target people who live in New York because they're not going to be your ideal audience, and engaging with them may help you gain a follower or 2, but it won't make you gain a real, genuine follower that could potentially be turned into a customer, if you will. Unless, of course, they travel and come to see you, but you know what I mean. Basically, you're going to want to engage strategically in the areas you're in, if that's appropriate. But if the area doesn't matter, and by area, I mean location, you could target people you engage with based by age or interests or stuff like that. Social media makes it really easy to find people that are appropriate for you. So just typing in keywords into the search bar can make it super easy, and you'll be well on your way. Now, what does engagement mean exactly? It could be following them, it could be liking their content, it could be commenting on their content, but preferably all 3. Sometimes I'll even take 10 or 20 minutes a day to like and comment on content that I really like, that is appropriate and relevant in my niche. And more often than not, it turns into a follower, so I'm all for that. Now I want to talk a little bit about ads. Now, ads are not mandatory by any way, shape, or form, but they can really help you if done well. The good news is social media platforms make it super easy to make ads once you get the hang of it. You could easily type in the preferred age, location, interest, job title, all that good stuff, so that way you can ensure your ad is going out to exactly who you want to see it. Let's go back to the old example. Let's pretend you're a hairstylist based in Toronto. You can easily target the area code, the typical age of your clients, the typical interests of your clients, all that good stuff. So at the end of the day, highly recommend. And keep in mind, you don't have to spend so much money to be successful with ads. Even $20 or $30 can make a really big difference. So give it a try, see what happens. You never know. And if you need any help or have any questions, do not be shy to reach out to me. I do offer free initial consultations, so you can ask me anything you want about all things social media, and I'm here to support you. I really hope that you enjoyed these tips and they were valuable to you. Again, if you have any questions or comments or ideas, don't be shy to reach out. And until next time, I'll see you in the next episode. And don't forget to visit me at JacquelineBaker.com. You could also follow me on social media. My information will be in the show notes. Thanks for listening.